Hello, I'm Azadeh Mohaseb, and in this video I want to show you a brief presentation of session 1 from the course R for ZooArchaeology. In this session, we will talk about the history of R, how to install R and RStudio, and an overview of the R and RStudio interface. During the whole course, we use the published data from zooarchaeological studies, both from modern reference collections and the data about the faunal studies of archaeological sites. We go over a brief history of the creation of the R programming language, the community of R developers, and the first and the last version of R. Also, we will talk about the RStudio, which is an integrated development environment for R. We then go through the R mailing list, how to install R from the CRAN webpage, and how to install RStudio. We then go over the R interface. We will explain the different parts, the menu bar, the buttons, and the R console. We use some basic examples in order to demonstrate how R works. We also lay out some important points that we have to know when we start using R. We then see how to change the display language in R. The RStudio interface will be then presented in the same way. We talk about the menu bar, the buttons, and the 4 fields or windows and the functionality of different parts in each window. And we will see how to execute a command or a code. As an example, we import a script that is prepared for this session and will be at your disposal. And we use a free dataset that is available in R in order to practice and play around with R functions. The presentation of the contents of all sessions is available under the playlist R for ZooArchaeology on my channel. I hope to see you in the R course for ZooArchaeology. Thank you for watching.